Welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. Today we're going to be talking about NIO, and today's going to be a little bit of a different video, right? So today I'm actually going to be talking about NIO stock predictions, kind of where the company is going to be headed and what people actually think the price target is going to be. Disclaimer, guys, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is all just pure speculation. So if I think that NIO is going to be potentially $50, it's not a guaranteed fact that NIO is actually going to go to $50. With that being said, guys, let's get started with the video. So if you guys don't know what NIO is, it's a huge EV company that's based out of China. They essentially produce luxury EV cars, pretty similar to Tesla. A lot of people are pretty bullish about NIO because, I mean, it's essentially replicating the pioneer of the EV industry itself. If you guys don't know, Tesla took a long time to find success. A lot of people didn't believe in Tesla, but, you know, NIO, coming right out of the gate, IPO'd pretty recently, has been getting a lot of bullish endorsements right away. We're going to analyze the 5-year chart, guys. This thing IPO'd September 12th of 2018, so the company is barely 2 years old, and it IPO'd at a penny stock at $6. Even looking at the 5-year chart, this thing has climbed 222%. Looking at the 1-year chart, I mean, guys, look at that growth. It's seriously a steady climb upwards, right? So right now, in the 1-year chart, NIO is up 516%. The past 3 months, it is up 146%. And the past 1 month, it is up 39%. Now, you guys have to understand that the EV market in itself is starting to grow like crazy. And you have to understand that, yes, there are EV cars, but soon enough, you know, there's going to be a lot of companies that are going to be producing a lot more stuff with battery power. If you guys didn't see, there's already rumors that, you know, Tesla's coming out with a battery-powered airplane and stuff. So the opportunities are honestly endless, and this is where NIO comes in. NIO doesn't have to work as hard as Tesla did when it first came out because, I mean, all the technology's there, the business idea is there, and everything like that. If you guys take a look at Tesla, I mean, Tesla was unprofitable for a very long time. Now, recently, I think it hit profit its first time in 2018, which was about 2 years ago, after the company had been around for 15 years. But looking at NIO, I mean, I could honestly see this stock, me personally, I could see this stock going to at least $100, and here's why. I will say this time and time again that the EV market is growing like crazy, and NIO doesn't have to work as hard as Tesla, right? The technology's there, the factories are there, the production is there. A lot of stuff that Tesla had to strive and work for, NIO does not. And the fact that NIO is just basically replicating Tesla in itself, although with a slight twist, I'm not saying that NIO is exactly like Tesla, but it's essentially a Tesla competitor. NIO's main focus is EV luxury cars, which is kind of Tesla's focus as well. If you guys don't know, I mean, NIO's basically experienced some crazy growth. A lot of people having a lot of bullish endorsements on NIO. There's a lot of big time investors behind NIO, and there's a lot of retail and all kinds of investors behind NIO. Why? Because they know that the stock is going to grow to be something great one day. Me personally, I think NIO probably will be a $100 stock probably by the end of next year. And you guys are saying, wow, that's so far away. Wow, that's so far. But you guys have to understand that the crazy amount of growth that NIO is experiencing right now is crazy. This thing just IPO'd 2 years ago, and it's already growing super, super quick. But the thing is, a lot of people are bullish about NIO. A lot of people weren't bullish about Tesla, and there's still Tesla bears who are saying that Tesla's going to $50. Even though Tesla time and time again proves to be a very good company, run by Elon Musk, and he's taken the company very far places. You have a lot of EV companies coming out of the game right now, guys. You have to understand that. You have Hyliion, you have Nikola, you have NIO, and you have Workhorse, and all these other EV companies are going to start IPOing because they all want a piece of the pie. I would not be surprised if there's a big-time company, a big-time car maker, whoever the case, who takes a huge stake in NIO because they see the potential. And the cool thing is about NIO, guys, NIO's already expanding super, super quick. It's already expanding to Europe, and this company is based out of China. Soon enough, NIO is going to be expanding to the United States. I mean, looking at it all in all, it's not like the market that NIO is going after is impossible to reach. EV is becoming more popular. Battery power stuff is becoming more popular. It's not only because it saves people money, it also saves companies a lot of money, and the cars just generally look nicer, more updated features, and they're a lot faster than gas-powered cars. Unfortunately to say, guys, gas-powered stuff in general is kind of getting outdated. A lot of people, you know, don't really like gas-powered stuff. It's bad for the environment. It costs a lot of money and all that kind of stuff. With electric cars, you don't have to worry about maintenance and stuff like that, which is why Workhorse is in talks with the USPS about a $6 billion deal. It's going to save the company a lot of money. But NIO has the fundamentals, it has the niche, and it has the business market to grow to be that huge stock. And that's the crazy thing about NIO, guys. And this is why I think NIO is a top EV company. Replicating exactly what Tesla does, but it's not just going to stop there. Soon enough, NIO is going to be rolling into the truck industry, to the airplane industry, to the ship industry. And like I said, it just doesn't stop there. EV is still a very new market and has a lot of time to explore. I mean, this $19.37 price tag that's being replicated here, I mean, you have to understand that this stock is still very cheap for a huge EV company that's going to be growing and growing over the next couple of years. A lot of people don't realize that Tesla once traded at this price, right? It was a $15 stock, and now before the split, it was at $2,300. Am I saying that NIO will get to $2,300? No, I'm not. I don't think NIO will probably get that far, but who knows? But I can say with certain fact that there's a lot of people out there that are already saying that NIO is going to be hitting new price targets soon. NIO is already getting stacked with a bunch of analyst upgrades as well. The EV market is going to be the future. And I think a lot of people are starting to realize that. Take, for example, General Motors. They just acquired an 11% stake in Nikola Motors. Now, not going too much into detail into that, I'm not going to talk about their fraud accusations or anything like that. I'm saying overall, General Motors acquiring an 11% stake in a huge EV company shows that General Motors is pretty smart in the sense that they're trying to get into the EV game early. That's what a lot of people are going to start doing. Deals are already coming in for these EV companies. It's only a matter of time before NIO lands a pretty good deal or starts expanding to the United States to take its stock growth to the next level. And the great thing is, guys, everybody loves NIO. Everyone's always talking about NIO. I haven't heard a single negative analyst say, oh, NIO's going to fail and stuff like that. I'm sure there could be some out there, but I'm not sure. And on top of that all, the whole takeaway of this video, guys, is you should invest in NIO. I think NIO is a huge growth stock. In my opinion, the biggest growth stock of 2020. Obviously, everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinion, but I think NIO is a must buy. I think if you don't have NIO in your portfolio, you need to add it right now because NIO is going to keep growing and growing and growing, stacked with big time investors, analysts upgrade in a market that's still untapped because you basically only have Tesla. That's the main major competitor. So NIO is going to grow fast. And like I said, it doesn't need to go through all the headaches Tesla did. They know the production. They have the technology advancement. And they know what they need to do to bring NIO to the next level. This is why I'm so bullish about NIO and why I personally think that NIO is going to be a great buy. I think people should invest in NIO. Obviously, you know, it's all opinionated, and I can understand that people do have favorite EV companies. I'm not saying that there aren't other good EV companies. I'm also very bullish on Workhorse and Hyliion as well. But if I had to give my bullish endorsement to the most EV company that I think will succeed the most, it's going to be NIO because NIO has what it takes to take the EV market to the next level. I feel like people are already calling it the next Tesla. I think NIO is going to be the next Tesla, and I think NIO is going to show great things in the future. With that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Let me know down in the comment section below, guys, what you guys think of NIO. Do you think NIO is going to grow to be a huge EV company? Do you guys think NIO can be the rival of Tesla? Let me know what you guys think, guys. Thank you. Have a great day.